to do our mooncake skin because it takes 4 hours to rest, yeah, for it to have a very nice perfect skin. So this is oil, 100 grams. Open up a well in your flour. It could be all-purpose flour, it could be roast bran flour if you can. There is 550 grams of flour here to 100 grams of oil, and then we have 400 grams of golden syrup, the darker ones, the 1.5 hours that we take to do. So it's darker in color. It can be even darker. It all depends on whether you like it. So it's the fire that makes it dark. If the fire is not so powerful, then if you go longer, it will also burn. Yeah, so it's really how you do it. Then this is alkaline water, 3.5 teaspoons alkaline water. And then you got baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, let's mix. Mix from the inside out. As you mix, take the flour in for the mooncake skin. Slowly. Whatever you do, the first thing you do would be your skin. If you are ready to bake, this will be the first thing to do before you start to cook your paste and all that, because the paste cooks fast, but the skin takes 4 hours to rest after you have done. So can you see the color is darker? It's like golden color. So the proportion of sugar and oil here is less from the biscuit, yeah. So you cannot use the combination for the biscuit here. You need to be a little bit drier. I think the sugar content is the same, but it's the oil that is less. Great. Mix it well. Make sure that there's no more white flour that can be seen. I usually don't like to waste anything, so I put this here. Take it out. From young, we have been taught to be so treat our materials preciously, yeah. So very little waste, if I can help it. Beautiful, don't you think? Yeah, the color also very nice. So that's why we let the sugar go a little longer, so that the color will be nicer. Very important, no? Your spoon must go at the very bottom to make sure that all the flour is being taken in. So after this, once I get all this done, I will rest it for 4 hours. Everything is well mixed now. So I'm going to rest it. Yeah. Finally, put all this in. You got to close it up if there's a cover. If not, just stick a lid to close it. So this is how I close it up.